Nalco Champion, by relative means, is a relatively new company. What occurred is approximately a little over a year and a half ago, Ecolabs, which had Nalco Energy as one of their industrial companies, sought to buy out Champion Technologies, which then took approximately a year to a transition, as it had to get SEC approval, and Nalco Energy and Champion Technologies were basically merged together, and out of that company emerged Nalco Champion. This lab was formed, or the concept of forming it occurred a little over 2 years ago, when the prior owners of Champion Technologies wanted to diversify outside of the oil field business. And their approach was, they had a little business already in the mining side, and what this lab was set up under Champion was to try to get some of their products and merged into mining, and also to develop new products that they could then diversify into the mining side to supplement their oil field business. Currently, the leaching process, which we're running presently 9 columns with acidic solution, and we have some acidic solutions with some proprietary chemistry to try to improve that extraction. That has been ongoing for a little over 100 days. They're very long-term tests. Will approximately take 120 to 140 days before those tests are completed. That's an ongoing project. The chemicals that are used on the copper ore research project, what we do here is we start with a dilute sulfuric acid, in which the acid dissolves the specific copper minerals and puts it in predominantly a liquid copper sulfate form, a dilute solution. What we do is we add other chemicals that are specifically inorganics, like ferric sulfate, zinc sulfate, amongst others, which we are trying to mimic the industrial solution that is utilized in the real world, or what are used at these copper mines. The copper mines will recycle and recover as much solution as they can from their upgrading of this process. So anyway, as I mentioned, we add these other inorganic salts to it to try to mimic what's going on in the industrial side. But the main component is a 7 gram per liter of sulfuric acid solution. Specific, probably your main use that we are aware as consumers is copper is in wire and in pipe. Can be in some of the older homes now, you will see copper pipe throughout your entire household. Now, of course, there's tubing, and a lot of lower cost things are being utilized since copper has risen so high in price over the years. Of course, copper is in our electrical wire, and you'll see copper utilized in several industries. It's also combined with other metals to make alloys specific for whatever use it may have. It's a multi-use metal, and Nalco is very heavily involved in research on new chemistries, and a lot of the labs support that. If you can't make it, you generally got to mine it somewhere.